Consider that a truck and a car move at the same kinetic energies. Allow them to hit an object. Why is the damage generated by the truck always more significant than that of a car? Given is kinetic energy of the truck equal to kinetic energy of the car. We know that kinetic energy in general is equal to half mv square. This is equal to m square v square by 2m. We know that p equal to mv, momentum equal to the product of mass into velocity. Therefore, this m square v square is replaced by v square whole divided by this m. So the kinetic energy E in general is given by the formula p square by 2m. Assume that the kinetic energy of the truck is equal to E1, then mass of the truck equal to m1. Therefore, the momentum of the truck equal to P1. Then the equation 1 is modified as E1, that is the kinetic energy of the truck equal to P1 square divided by 2m1. So this is equation number 2. The kinetic energy of the car is equal to E2, mass of the car is equal to m2, then momentum of the car is equal to P2. Therefore, E2 equal to P2 square divided by 2m2. This is equation 3. From the problem, E1 is equal to E2, which means that the kinetic energy of the truck is equal to kinetic energy of the car. From the equations 2 and 3, E1 equal to E2 means P1 square by 2m1. P1 square divided by 2m1 equal to P2 square divided by 2m2. So this is equation number 4. Now P1 square by P2 square is equal to 2m1 by 2m2. From this, P1 by P2 is equal to m1 by m2 inside the root. Here P1 is the momentum of the truck, P2 is the momentum of the car. m1 is equal to the mass of the truck, m2 equal to the mass of the car. Now P1 is greater than P2. The momentum contributed by the truck is always greater than that of the momentum contributed by the car, because M1 is the mass of the truck, M2 is the mass of the car. The value of M1 is always greater than M2. If it is a case, the value of P1 is equal to M1 by M2 inside the root into P2. Here M1 is greater than M2. So this quantity is greater than 1. Therefore P1 is greater than P2. As a result of this, the damage generated by the truck always more significant than that of the car.